turns out markets are impossible to predict. Last night I put in an order for QQQ Iron Condor to open it up today, so open up today, and it expires tomorrow. I received about $30 to open it, but now it's going to cost me about $50 to close it. And if I let it expire and it's a complete loser, I would lose $70 max on it. So this top one, QQQ, put in a range for $614 to $631, saying that I expected to trade in between those two numbers. We can see up here that little red number, 611.18 cents. It is below my lowest strike price, so this one is a loser right now. And you can see my position. I got $30 to get into it. Current price is 53. It keeps jumping around, so I'd have to pay like 50 something bucks to close it. Opened it today, 11/13, and it closes, well, it expires tomorrow, Friday. And then you can see my break-even prices right here and total return. So if I bought it back right now and closed it, I would lose 25 bucks. Simulate my returns. So current price, I would lose money on this. If the stock sank all the way, I would lose at most $70, which is a nice thing about iron condors. That's the silver lining, is that your max loss is defined. You know the max you're going to lose. Okay, whatever. So if the price rose a little bit more, just 0.5%, I could still break even on this. So maybe time's still on my side. I don't know. But overall, the market is sinking, which if the whole market's sinking, that means the QQQ is as well, because it's a tech-heavy look at the market as a whole, and of the NASDAQ. And we can view that. Yeah, so down 1.73% today. Now you would think that President Trump signing the bill to end the government shutdown would be a good thing. You would think the market would pop up, but did the exact opposite. And from what I'm seeing, it's probably because of we're only getting half the picture of the jobs report, of the unemployment report. So we aren't going to, it's just going to be a skip data point on the unemployment report. And we're still waiting on the report from September, which will come out soon. So I think the market is trying to get ahead of that report, probably thinking it's going to be a negative viewpoint. And so they're doing some sell-offs, taking their profits while they can before the stock market gets the report, and then it's like, okay, for real, now it's not looking good officially, and then you'll probably see some more sell-off. So I expect the stock market to keep dipping, and even crypto's going down and all that. So yeah, just goes to show you can't predict the markets. Sometimes things do the opposite of what you expect, and also options have risk and all that. But I'm just gonna let this one ride. Actually, well, I did put in an order to close it at 15 bucks. I don't think it'll execute, but at least it's a way to capture back some of that money or reduce some of my loss overall, just in case it moves a little bit more in my favor. And that's my attempt to close it before everything actually expires for real tomorrow. But yeah, that's what I'll do on that. We'll just let it ride and see what happens. Try again the next time. So if you like this content, please give it a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.